Hi guys! You don't need to miss this video review because we are talking about a last new product this year. It's a new wireless powerful equipment which you change the needle stroke. It's a tattoo pen Infinity from Defenderr. It's time to sit more comfortably and we are looking for our tattoo machine. My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. All information in the video is the subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. This is a last video review this year, so I am reminding that this is a company manufacturer of professional equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup. The Defenderr company informs that all equipment designed in the USA and is focused to the global market in Europe, CIS and the USA. The Defenderr already presented the different tattoo machines, pigments, cartridges and power supplies. The box design of Infinity tattoo machine is the same as the box of Infinity cartridges, red and white. The box has name Our Tattoo Machine Infinity, logo of Defenderr, serial number and certification stamps for sale and use in Europe and the USA. Designed in the USA. Inside information about warranty in English, some box with USB for charger wireless power supply without adapter and one moment. Spare O-rings, spare bearing and key for change spare bearing. This is Infinity. I feel the machine is quite heavy and has a wider grip. Nice made the body with name and logo. Also, the tattoo pen has a beautiful mosaic on the grip, but it shimmers less because the body is not glossy. Length 136 mm. What functions does Infinity have? In the technical characteristics, the machine weight is 210 grams. We cannot do without scales. On the scales, the machine weight is 208 grams. This is quite a lot of weight among the tattoo machines from my feature review. Your hand will have to get used to the weight, especially if you have worked with a lighter tattoo machine. It takes time, but the Infinity has a more powerful motor. The device has distribution of the center of gravity. It has three colors: black, gray and khaki. The price is $750 and the equipment has 1 year warranty. The Defenderr company informs that more powerful colorless motor with a rotation speed of 6,500 RPM. The wireless battery, as Defenderr claims, guarantees long-lasting operation without the need for over-recharging. The full charge takes 2.5 hours. The device is protected against short circuit and overload. Another cool function on this tattoo machine is the ability to change the needle stroke. You don't need to buy several machines to find the perfect needle stroke. One tattoo machine has 7 needle strokes: short needle stroke, hybrid and long needle stroke. There is a rotating mechanism on the body that changes the stroke of the needle. We turn this wheel left or right, our number should match the drop. For our comfortable, the change wheel has locking clicks. But what is very important is that we can only change and rotate the wheel when our tattoo machine is turned off. Working voltage is from 4 to 12 volts. This is once again speaks about the power of the motor. The Infinity can work with a permanent makeup, mini tattoos, scars, areola, and a large-scale works on the skin with the thick outlines and dense color. Creep's diameter is 31 mm. We can sterilize the creep. Only the grip. I use a disinfectant, and we can use an autoclave also, and the high temperature sterilizer box to 100 Celsius. If you use more 100 Celsius, it can affect the color of creeps. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the creep with fixing clicks. I like it. The Infinity compatibles with many cartridges from famous companies. Guys, simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold the red button for 2-3 seconds and turn on our tattoo machine. On the screen you'll see information about the charge, operating voltage and timer that records the operating time of the equipment. The buttons on the left and right change the working voltage. If you press the 2 buttons together, we can change color of working voltage, green or sky blue maybe, and change the location of the text on the screen, vertically or horizontally. You press the red button again and Infinity starts working. If you want to better understand equipment and techniques to improve your professional level permanent makeup or getting you professional permanent makeup artist, I'm waiting for you on my online courses in English and Russian. I will show and talk simple about the most difficult. I will leave link on my Instagram in video description. I'm going to work with Defenderr cartridge. I'm using the needle stroke 3.9. Working voltage, I think 5. The comfortable noise, and in my opinion, the vibration is really small. Let's go. If you choose the needle stroke 3.9 and working voltage 8, for example, we would to work comfortable with line and dense color. The straight lay of the line depended only my hand and not on the machine vibration. Let's sum up our video review, guys. The Infinity is power and wireless tattoo machine from Defenderr. The machine weight is 208 grams. Your hand will have to get used to the weight, especially if you have worked with a lighter tattoo machine. It takes time. The price is $750 and 1-year warranty. The simple, intuitive operate control. You don't need to buy several tattoo machines to find the perfect needle strokes. One tattoo machine has 7 needle strokes: short, hybrid and long needle strokes. The Infinity can work with the permanent makeup, mini tattoo, areola, scars, and the large scale works on the skin and dense color. In my opinion, this is powerful, serious, large-size equipment for artists who are confident in their work, have a good feel for the skin and can work with different techniques. I will leave links where you can buy this device from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.